We are still pursuing some of the things zenye wale watu wametoka form 4 wanaweza fanya. Remember to stay tuned to the end of this video and even in our description box to see tips on how to choose a technical course, because this channel is really a little bit more biased on the ufundi side. Now, na tuile dilemma inakuwa ni whether what programs to get into. Now, in my research concerning the institutions that offer the colleges, there are important things you need to remember. Number one, there are regular programs, be it a degree or certificate, diploma, or whatever it is. Kuna programs and then regular. So most institutions will have regular programs. They will have part-time courses. They will have short programs, and they will have skill upgrading courses. So sasa ile yenye unafanya your judgment and your evaluation, is it a regular program where you will be engaged in the institution for the whole entire period? Is it the skill upgrading course? That is to say, you first of all went and did in the previous video, the ones that we said are vocational skills or vocational courses. That means umeenda mahali umeanza kufanya kazi fulani lakini unataka kufanya skill upgrading. So is that what you're going to go for? Or are you going to go for the short courses, the part-time courses? Whatever it is or whatever your journey is, remember to evaluate where you fit and how your budget fits in all those things. Again, stay tuned, or at least check in the description box on tips on how to choose technical courses. So here on Ufundi na Ajira, we have interviewed so many fundis, or at least anything from 18 to 15 fundis. And they have been in various institutions. We always ask them, ulisomea wapi, ulisomea nini? Now, it is good information, especially for all of you who are looking to join any type of institution to study. Perhaps you would like to visit our YouTube channel and see the videos that are there about them, be encouraged, and even go and check out those institutions. Now, do you remember Eric the welder? Eric did a government trade test exam. Government trade test exam on welding is offered in various institutions that you can find in the description box on this video. So you can choose to do a welding course and get a government trade test. Then tukaenda kwa fundi wa nguo, tailors. Do you remember Uma and Fred, people who are tailors? If you want to pursue a tailoring course, there are institutions that are provided by the National Institute of Training Authority, NITA. There are other colleges, so many who are doing, even private colleges that are doing tailoring. Then we also featured those who are in the automotive world. People who repair vehicles, panel beating, painting, and all those type of things. And we had guys who had studied at the Kenya Institute of Highways and Building Technology. So, you would like to visit them online, take their prospectus. We have had several people when you wamefanya kazi ya magari, automotive at the Kenya Institute of Highways and Building Technologies, but there is also so many other institutions that offer the same. These are the people who at least gave us some audience on Ufundi na Ajira.
So I began way back. I've done my studies at KIBIT, just really government school.
For those of you who are also interested in doing a little bit about air conditioning, refrigeration, HVAC systems, do you remember Betty, the lady who we interviewed, a successful HVAC engineer? She says she studied at the Railway Training Institute, where they offer HVAC and those type of trainings.
Yes. Or the institution that offers the best trainings. It's then I landed in Railway Training Institute.
Yes.
I joined, and that's how I started.
Check out the RTI website and be able to see whether you would like to join them for that type of training. And for those of you who are interested in the operating heavy machinery, what were forklift, backhoe, buckets, and all this type of lifting machinery. Do you remember Warenga, the lady who we interviewed, who is a forklift driver at Coca-Cola? She tells us that she studied at one of the schools that is courses offered by Achelis, and there is also the Institute of Lifting Technology. Check it out. They also offer courses on forklift, heavy lifting, and machinery operation.
Yes, I went for a school on that.
Yes.
There's Acheris. It's a worldwide company that deal with forklift operations.
So that's it guys, there you are. For all of you Form 4 leavers, now you have been able to pick a little bit. Umeweza kuona nini unaweza fanya. Don't be idle. Begin looking, begin checking. Follow Ufundi na Ajira for all the tips on where to go. And again, like I said, skills will liberate us. So acquire them. Again, it's a big congratulations from all of us at Ufundi na Ajira. Stay tuned, subscribe, like, and share.